Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Level Finance token. Ticker symbol is LVL. This token just got listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, two brand new listings. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Level Finance token. So it's sitting at about 18 cents per token right now. You can find this on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Their webpage is level.finance. They also have an application you can find at app.level.finance. They have a Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, GitHub, price chart, contract address, BSC scan. All that is listed on CoinGecko. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You'd go into the dApps. You would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the LVL token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, their BSC scan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. They have 300 holders so far, according to their BSC scan. 11,050 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a not max total supply, but it says total supply 49,999,999 tokens. So it says experience levels advanced DeFi venue that offers great user experience, leverage trading, and real yield. Start trading on Level today and take control of your decentralized trading journey. Level Finance is a decentralized and non-custodial perpetual DEX on the BNB chain, focused on delivering highly effective risk management along with first-of-its-kind liquidity solutions for LPs using original code designed from the ground up. Level's architecture facilitates direct market access to programmatic pools of liquidity, enabling capital-efficient hedging with near-zero market impact for traders looking to protect their gains while seamlessly creating a yield-bearing instrument for asset owners looking to earn passive income on their crypto holdings. Key features include real yield, fully permissionless, zero price impact trades, risk management, innovative liquidity solutions, fair launch, user-directed Level DAO. So they have their own DAO, which is going to enable voting rights, where people will be able to vote on the direction of the of which way the project goes. So our mission is to position the DAO as the platform's asset manager and ultimate decision maker on strategic matters. So they're going to have the goal for it to be genuinely permissionless and decentralized. So they're going to have a treasury. They're going to nominate contributors, voting on like all expenditures, fees, features, and functionalities, security, all sorts of stuff available on here. Tokenomics are on here. So this is a utility token. It's going to be earned by providing liquidity, trading, or referring to users. And also it's going to be the so they have a separate governance token here, it says as well. So this one the governance token is earned by staking the LVL token. So the LVL token is the main utility token in the Level Finance ecosystem. So you would stake your LVL tokens, and then you're going to earn LGO tokens, and then you will have voting rights. So as a fair start project, not only do the team's economics are entirely aligned with the level users, but there will also be a 4-year time lock on LVL tokens allocated to the team. This ensures achieving the vision of incentivizing the long-term commitment for all level stakeholders. So that is why they have the 2 tokens as well. So the utility token here, allocation for that, 36% goes to liquidity providers, 34% goes to community incentives, 20% goes to team, 10% strategic partners, and yeah, total is 50 million tokens here. And so they have the pancake swap contract address on here for the liquidity pool. All sorts of stuff is available on their white paper. By the way, you can find their white paper at docs.level.finance. Pretty straightforward. So yeah, you can get liquidity provider rewards and how to earn LVL tokens, become a level liquidity provider in the farm, trade on the level DEX, or refer levels to new users. So there is going to be a referral program. There's a loyalty program. There's liquidity bootstrapping. You can check out the fee structure for that. They have security and contract section where you can check out price oracles, smart contracts. Disclaimer, there's tutorials in case you don't understand how to trade on here. There's trading tutorials, liquidity tutorials, and DAO tutorials on here. So Level is vigorously focused on risk management. We are excited to introduce user-elected credit exposure to Level's liquidity providers, developed entirely from scratch. The RMLP aims to tackle functional issues endemic to zero-price impact perpetuals. Creditor structure, a feature that is almost ubiquitous across traditional crypto markets or capital markets, is something that has yet to be adopted for digital assets. On Level's RMLP system, we built tranches with various risk profiles that reflect underlying exposure to Level liquidity providers. This solution efficiently tackles the incident which occurred recently to GMX, and they go over that if you want to learn about what happened to GMX. And then it goes over what is a tranche, and there's just tons of information on here. Check it all out at docs.level.finance. You can find them listed now on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, 2 brand new listings today. And again, if you want to get this token, it is available on PancakeSwap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.